The black, gold and grey, beautiful Dr. Bird. Hey, when Christopher Columbus first flight to Jamaica, hey, he was so marveled by the island he discovered. In Angola, enough food and water, the land of our fathers. In Angola, Irish Jamaica, plenty treasures on ya. In Angola, enough food and flowers, the land of our mothers. In Angola, beautiful Jamaica, oh what a vibrant culture. Mountain Rose in the Migor, high up there is the Blue Mountain, yeah. Flat around the ocean coasts, drive around and glimpse her beauty. When you come up to Talawa, out here Jamaican is well popular. Set the record and break the record and make our own beat gone abroad. In Angola, enough food and water, the land of our fathers. In Angola, Irish Jamaica, plenty treasures on ya. In Angola, enough food and flowers, the land of our mothers. In Angola, beautiful Jamaica, oh what a vibrant culture. When the sailors return home to meet the Spanish monarch, Her Majesty Queen Isabella, I ask, Columbus took a sheet of paper, roll it up in his and place it on her desk, saying it's like that. Esther say, Her Majesty, in Angola, enough food and water, the land of our fathers. In Angola, Irish Jamaica, plenty treasures on ya. In Angola, enough food and flowers, the land of our mothers. In Angola, beautiful Jamaica, oh what a vibrant culture. Beautiful Jamaica, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh. In Angola, Irish Jamaica, yeah man, tourist Lovanya. In Angola, beautiful Jamaica, oh yeah, oh yeah, boy. In Angola, Irish Jamaica, not the right.